Hello, welcome to Automotive. Fresh into stock, we have this 2014 64 plate Range Rover Sport. This is the 5 litre V8 Autobiography dynamic variant. Has many upgrades. You see the 21-inch SBR gloss black alloy wheels. All has matching Pirelli tyres. Also fitted the rear bumper from an SVR and stainless steel exhaust system. That's the side steps, electric deployable side steps. Heated memory front seats, also air conditioned, and rear seats also heated. Panoramic sunroof. Also fitted a upgraded centre panel from the later models. And also has Apple CarPlay. This car's done just over 115,000 miles. Sounds fantastic. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions or if you want to book an appointment or a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call or email me on sales@hypermotive.co.uk.